I'm Matthew Evans, the gourmet farmer. Poe's come back to our island state in search of inspiration for new recipes. So we've hit the road to meet the makers and reveal how they do things, Tassie style. Today we're off to the Tamar Valley, just north of Launceston. This is Velo winery and there's a restaurant here, Timbre kitchen, and the chef Matt, I can't wait till he shows you his signature dish. Not only is his restaurant set on Velo Wine's vineyard, but his menu is inspired by local backyard produce and cooking with fire. So what does timbre mean? Has that got something to do with fire?
It's something to do with music. It's to do with tone, but it's the distinctive quality that makes something different.
Is it all meats that you're doing on these kind of things?
No, not necessarily. Most of our stuff's probably more vegetable based.
How important is it for you to source your ingredients locally?
We've got backyard growers here that are just growing for themselves. If they've got excess, we have people that drop stuff every week. I've got a little voucher that I give them. Then they come back in with the voucher or they collect them up over time.
Like that old-fashioned style kind of bartering, it's a very Tassie thing.
For us, it's what drives the restaurant really. We don't sit down and brainstorm dishes. We go into the cool room and go, oh my God, we've got 30 kilos of X.
Yeah.
What are we going to do?
Since I've lived in Tassie, all that has been happening here, but it was very hard for visitors to tap into that. But now it's actually happening a place like Timbre.
Matthew's been dangling this like signature dish of yours under my nose, and I'm really curious what it is. Matty, I'm intrigued. What's going on?
Grilled cheese, literally grilled cheese.
So that's cheese?
That's cheese, that's grated cheese.
I thought it was just coleslaw.
I know, I was like, interesting.
I was expecting something way more fancy.
I think that's the point.
Is there a wine that goes with grilled cheese sandwiches?
All of the wines.
With lunch underway, we set our eyes to the vineyard in search of the perfect partner for our grilled cheese. And we quickly found that this vineyard has some serious history.
These are some of the oldest vines in Tasmania. It was established in 1966 as an experimental vineyard. And the row we're in now is Cabernet.
Is there a defining flavour of Tamar wine?
Very enjoyable.
After a trip to the cellar door, we selected our winter wines and Matt's feast was waiting for everyone.
What we've got here is the wood roasted chicken with almond and salsa verde. We've got a Wagyu steak that we cooked on the charcoal with a tasty butter. We've got the wood oven grilled cheese, Granny Jean's mustard pickle to put on top.
Matt, I really love what you've shown us today because it just goes to show that delicious just does not have to be complicated.
Thank you, that's the aim.
Brings back all my childhood memories, and yet I never had a grilled cheese sandwich that tasted anywhere near as good as that in my childhood.